channel, and it's almost 2026. It's that time of year where we make vision board, review our last year's vision board. So let's make 2026 vision board together. So basically this is my last year's vision board, and इसमें से बहुत सारी चीज़ें हैं जो नहीं हुई, so we are taking it forward to the next year's vision board. And yeah, we are all done with getting prints of the thing that we are gonna add in our vision board. So yeah, let's start making it. So guys, फटाफट से let me take you through my vision board. So let's see what I have added. Firstly, the this is the magic words that I have added in my to add in my vision board कि एक motivation होता है ना. So it is the main character vibe. It is thank you universe for everything, because thanking for everything. जो मिला वो भी सही है, नहीं मिला वो भी सही है. Then 2026 is my year is a slogan that I am adding to get that positive vibe whenever I see to my vision board that yes, 2026 is my year. And manifesting, of course. So last year it was not regarded money because there was no source to add it in such a way. But yes, this year is manifesting and manifesting as well. So yeah, firstly I have added this little glimpse, if you can see. So first is shopping, a lot of shopping, not in that way, but buying my dream products in that way. Then second one, I have added a lots of books. Again, last year I have also added books, but it was more of collecting it but not reading it. But this year it is about reading it. And then writing diaries in a daily basis is a good habit that I want to adopt from for this year. Guys, next I have added a trip in somewhere mountains, पहाड़ों में कोई trip, जगह पता नहीं है, but it can be Kashmir, it can be Manali, it can be anywhere, but in पहाड़ों में और वो मैगी खाना, so that's the part of it. Then again taking trips, कोई भी हो सकती है, मुझे पता नहीं है कि क्या ट्रिप्स होगी. सो आई हैव बेसिकली एडेड अ फोटो, मतलब फोटो ऑफ बैकपैक. कहीं पे भी ट्रिप हो सकती है, वो स्पेसिफिक नहीं है, बट या मोर ऑफ इट. अटेंडिंग इवेंट्स, इट कैन बी यूट्यूब फैन फेस्ट, कुछ भी हो सकता है, बट अटेंडिंग इवेंट्स एज अ कंटेंट क्रिएटर. एंड the next I have is a healthy lifestyle. Healthy lifestyle in a way of eating good and healthy food, avoiding junk. Guys, next is about also focusing on your physical health, like doing exercise, maintaining body workout. So yeah, that I have also added क्योंकि वो party नहीं है कभी, and I don't know, it is bit difficult for me to do that, but okay. Then getting a lots of PR, अगर lots of नहीं तो थोड़ा बहुत भी, because you know it is the main thing as a content creator. So yeah, I'm wishing for it as well. The next is watching lots of movies and lots of series, because इसमें क्या होता है ना कि मैं ये नहीं कर पाती, because I have a very इस चीज अगर वी लुक एट दिस ईयर, सो मैंने बहुत कम बेंच वॉच किया है. हार्डली न्यू मूवीज अगर बहुत हाइप हो तो ठीक है, और सीरीज में भी सेम थिंग. आई वॉन्ट टू वॉच एवरीथिंग, बट मैं वो कर नहीं पाती हूँ. सो इट इज़ माई विजन कि 2026 में आई डू मोस्ट ऑफ इट. एंड या, आई गेस इट वॉज all about no collecting lots of bags, lots of makeup products इसमें है वो. And also exploring new cafes. This is what I love doing, and hope so कि हम 2026 में more of it करेंगे. And also my YouTube success, because this year, लास्ट ईयर मैंने मेरे विजन बोर्ड में डाला था कि कंसिस्टेंसी इन माय कंटेंट क्रिएशन. सो कंसिस्टेंसी रही है, बट वो कंसिस्टेंसी सिर्फ एंड सिर्फ इंस्टाग्राम तक थी, बट आई वांट के सेम अमाउंट ऑफ एंड इक्वल अमाउंट ऑफ कंसिस्टेंसी मैं यूट्यूब में भी लेके आऊँ. सो या, इट इज़ ऑल अबाउट दैट, गेटिंग 5,000 फॉलोअर्स on Instagram and YouTube monetization. I'm not asking a lot because I know that's not possible. So, yeah, that was all about this page. Guys, firstly, I have added a good time with my family, friends, spending time with them. So, first one denotes that. Then, second one I have is posting daily on YouTube. Long form formats mainly. Shorts तो मैं अभी भी कर लेती हूँ जब time मिलता है. But long form formats is still something that I'm not able to do consistently. Guys, let me tell you the main motive of my 2026 vision board, and that's starting my small little business. So I don't know कि कौन सी हद तक ये हो पाएगा, कितना imaginary है, कितना realistic है, I don't know. But this is in my vision, and mainly it's the center of attraction. It's the main motive of my 2026 vision board. So yeah, for my little business, I want to open that live stalls, little stalls, so this denotes that. Second one again, it's about my business launch to 2026 may we are expecting to do a little small business. So this one is also about my small business. So चार पांच फोटोज तो ऐसे ही है जो मेरे स्मॉल बिजनेस के रिगार्डिंग है, बिकॉज एज आई सेड इट इज द होल पॉइंट फॉर द 2026 vision board. So, guys, next one is shooting and creating a lot of content. The next one is attending a concert. So, I love attending concerts. Like, I have never experienced concerts, but I know I will love it. So, yeah, attending a concert is in my wish list for the 2026. And the next is हमने बात कर ली about my small business. Next is renting a studio. I want a studio space to create a content, and of course अगर if I'm owing a small business, so it becomes necessary to have that small little space for that business also, and also for my content creation. So that's in my wish list. So guys, next and the last thing in my vision board is to learn driving. I have a dream to learn driving, maybe this year or next year. It depends. अगर ये साल हो गया तो it's okay, नहीं हुआ तो it's okay. So yeah, that's everything. A brief note about my vision board. So let's start making it. So guys, after few minutes, few hours, I have finally arranged my vision board that how it's gonna look, and now I'm gonna stick them, and yeah, this is how it is looking. And here's look to Dia's vision board. यहाँ पे है रिवान का विजन बोर्ड. मैंने बहुत चीज़ें हैं जो हैंड क्राफ्ट, लाइक आई हैव मेड इट माई सेल्फ. ये जो स्टिकर है विजन बोर्ड का, एंड सम प्रॉम्प्ट्स जो मैंने खुद बनाए हैं, एंड इट्स गिविंग अ वेरी ब्यूटिफुल टच टू माई विजन बोर्ड. सो या, लेट्स जस्ट कंप्लीट इट. लुक एट इट हाउ द स्पेस इज़ लुकिंग. ये पूरा जो सेटअप है ना वो दिया ने किया था टू मेक आवर विजन बोर्ड. एंड या, दिस इज़ हाउ वी सेलिब्रेटेड अवर क्रिसमस by making vision boards, looking forward to 2026. यहाँ पे रिवान ऑलरेडी बना के गया है, but this is how the space is looking, and this is beautiful mess. And here's our Kai, एकदम शांति से बैठा है, and here's our Frost. So both of them are giving company to make a vision board. Hey guys, so finally today is the next day, and my vision board is almost ready. Let me show you. So this is how it is looking. Guys, it exactly looks like जैसा मैंने सोचा था, and I hope इसमें से बहुत सारी चीज़ें tick off हो जाए in this year, and yeah, it's looking so cute. And that was it for this video. See you soon in the next video. Thank you so much, and probably this is the last video of this year. Next year will come with more good content and a lot of things. So thank you. Bye bye.